So it's been a rainy January day. And I'm actually building a new plot, I think, to expand my growing area. And I spent a lot of time moving a tarp from one area to another, an area that's more shady most of the day, which I will probably use sometime. But I moved it from here. It was a big tangled mess because it got blown and warped and blah, 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 and then poured on. And now I see lots of rain on it today. But I moved it over here to this section. And I gotta finish pulling it over and then put some weights on it because it's supposed to get pretty windy here today. Nothing out of the normal, 20 to 30 miles per hour, but that's what it is all the time. But gotta get the stuff put on and get it taken care of so it doesn't blow away. All right, so it's not perfect, but it's on, and my hair is like, who knows what's happening there. So in case you don't know, this is a silage tarp. They use it to cover silage on traditional farms. But what I'm using it for is to kill vegetation in a place where I want to get my beds planted. And so let me show you what I had originally done. So originally I had the tarp over here and I had mowed it down because it was like August. I had mowed it down and then my husband helped me put the tarp down and it was awesome for a few weeks, and then a big nasty windstorm came and stuff and it was all tangled and crazy. We had to like emergency put the tarp under some weights and I haven't messed with it since yesterday, until yesterday when I messed with it. And let me tell you that we've had some rain and stuff, and like I don't really care about rain except that it made the tarp super heavy, more heavy than already 100 by 50 feet tarp would be. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So these puddles, they look unassuming, but man, that's gallons of water that I'm trying to like pull with my fingertips. Anyway, so last summer I mowed it down, I put down the tarp, and it actually did really awesome at killing a lot of the weeds and vegetation. You can see how we have some grass that's growing now, but it looks vastly different from the area that didn't have a tarp. And let me show you that. So this is the area that was tarped for a few weeks last summer, and then this is the area that was not tarped at all. And you can kind of see here where the tarps was this winter and fall. It's obviously January, so it's still winter, but it really just weighs down and kills the vegetation. And so hopefully in a couple of months when I pull that up, the ground will look even better than this, and it'll be ready for some amendments and some compost and stuff like that.